我不退后，从没想过要退后，不单身的，见过太多的不红，不脆弱，不堕落，这会灯有我拯救，上场前不停步，继续走我的路。
This life ain't easy living in the city, army rules. I pray the Lord daily for my soul, protect my jewel. My daughter, holy water, I'm in heaven, pray for you. Remember all the skills I taught you, daddy's here for you. You're on your own now, never follow rules crew. The 5 city coalition, fighting, standing out for truths. Resisting to the army and police are passing who? They took my soul, left me dead, please fight for truth. Dear Dad, I'm writing daily in my diaries, following your steps, applying your philosophies. My last chance, I'm gonna make it, can't you see? Having faith, yes, believe, resisting when it's free. Nothing's coming free, you have to fight tonight, you see. Believe in this, I never fail, I promise you, Letty. Staying focused to my goal, cause I never stop. My path is clear, I see the light tonight, yeah, we're fighting.
上场前不停步，继续走我的路。
抬起头看着这片天，为了生存又调转眼，世界的秩序混乱，究竟由谁来终结？感谢有兄弟领路，不至于陷入迷途。那些罪恶的面孔，早晚都会被我清除。
你会成为良民吗？
会。
还打架吗？
不会。
知道你在监狱伤了多少人吗？
不如被伤的多，
前前后后加起来75人。你因配合携带武器入狱3年，3年内因打架斗殴又追加了5年。如果你再不改过自新，还会继续追加。
对不起，我会改过自新。
贺江，你很漂亮，但这恰恰会害了你。他们总是会挑衅你，然后你又打回去。算了，你继续待在这里，除了和他们互相伤害，也改变不了什么。但至少我同情你。我同意释放你。